this video, I am going to go over this Harley-Davidson. Haven't made one in a while. Some people constantly ask me what it is, what I got in it. So here's an updated video of the Harley-Davidson. Stay tuned.
On this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I'm fighting for my soul. God, get at your boy. You try to go, God, fall back. I go hard on this lonely road, trying to make it home, doing it by my lonesome, pissed off, who wants some? I see them long, hard times to come.
Alright, so what my plan is like I said, I have not done a update video on my bike for a while. So that's what this is. Do a quick update video on it. I'm trying out my gimbal at the same time. I got the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. It is a 2008 Harley-Davidson softail Springer crossbones, what it's called. It is a 96 cubic inch. I've got the aftermarket breather on it. What I get a lot of questions is what is in this engine for me to be able to drag race the way I do? Well, I don't like giving out that information. However, I will tell you, it was cammed. I ended up breaking the cams racing a Mustang. I went ahead, put the stock cams back in it, and now I have it back to, oh, come on, gimbal, work like I want you to. And then I put it back to stock, is what I did. I put it back to stock. Cams. However, over the winter, I took the stock cams back out. Instead of really good racing cams again, and put them in there. And this thing is a friggin' monster now. It's pretty ridiculous how bad it is. It's pretty friggin' quick now. Now, also, I do run the Michelin Commander 2 tires, because I don't care what anybody says for a cruiser, these are the tires to go with. I just kind of accidentally ran across them, and these things are ridiculously sticky. Like, I launched so hard, it's stupid. And also, you can see there is no chicken strip on this bike because I ride it like it's a fucking sport bike. And then I know what a lot of people see or like to see when I'm riding is me scraping. Everybody says scraping pegs, but I don't have pegs, I have floorboards. So let's see if we can see this. Yeah, that's a floorboard pretty much gone. I need new floorboards. So I'm starting to get down here now. I need new floorboards. That's actually very, very sharp. But this isn't the side I mostly drag. Most of the time, I drag this side. Yeah, that's ridiculously gone. It's actually very quite sharp. There's really not much to this bike. I mean, cams, I do have a tune in it. It is a pretty badass tune. I was able to tune myself because I have the connectors from my laptop. I was able to download some tunes, put it in it. It is pretty fast bike for being a Harley-Davidson. But everybody, I got called out. This lady one night, we was up doing some hits, and she ran her mouth saying that there's no way my bike was a 96 cubic inch, blah, blah, blah. And, I mean, it is. It's a 96 cubic inch. It's what it is. Almost all the internals are stock. Primary stock, drive is stock, everything's stock. But a lot of people forget it's a Harley, so I have all the torque in the world. You can pull a fucking house with a Harley-Davidson. Now, what I'm going with right now is, since we're already on it, kind of make a gear video with this too. I have right here, I have the GoPro Session 4. Okay, that's my crotch cam. And then down here, attached to the wheel, I'm sure some people probably wondered how I get the shot. I have a bracket, mounts there. It's actually quite close to my brake rotor, but not super close. That's where my Hero 4 Silver goes. I have 3 bells, or at least I think I still have 3 bells. Yeah, there it is up high, right up there. And then also I have my Hero 7 that's hooked to my helmet. And we'll walk over here because that's where my helmet is right now anyways. I actually switched to my Icon variant again, Thriller Edition. Hollarmoto sticker on the back, yay. And there's my Hero 7 with the mount. Mic right up in the hair. And I wear Alpine Star gloves. I don't remember how much these were. I think they were $45, $50, something like that. They got the carbon fiber knuckles, touchscreen fingertips on all the fingertips. They work pretty good. So far, they've been pretty nice. They are pretty hard to break in. This is my second season wearing them. They're still not completely broke in yet, but they work pretty good. I like them. But that's pretty much it. That's all there is to it. There's really not much else to go over. I cannot stress enough about the Michelin Commander 2s. If you don't run them and you ride a cruiser, you ought to try them out at least once. The only time I have ever slid out or started to slide out was on purpose. I've been riding for 35 years, something like that. I've been on 2 wheels, so I've had a lot of experience on bikes. I'm pretty good at come on, go away. I'm pretty good at drifting around corners on this thing. But you know, like I said, you don't see no chicken strips on this Harley, barely any, and that is a 200 size tire, so it is hard to get this bike. I mean, it's not hard to get this bike over, but this bike sits really low to the ground. There's not that much clearance under there, and it is hard to get over. I scraped them pipes a lot. You can see them. You can see some of the marks on that pipe. And then also on the other side, that's where I dropped the bike last weekend, but maybe I can get a shot from underneath there. You can see where I've scraped the primary several times. Well, get this damn gimbal to recenter. I'm still learning how to use this gimbal. I'll probably throw the fucked up shit in there too, just so y'all can see that it is kind of difficult to get to learn how to use a gimbal, because I'm recording all this on my iPhone. This ain't a GoPro vlog. This is an iPhone vlog. iPhone 11 Max Pro, whatever it's called, DJI Gimbal Mobile 3. That's pretty much it. Not much really more to go over. So I'll finish this on the bike. Well, so that was just a quick update video on the Harley. I've been asked several times about the bike, what I've done to it. It's really not super special. It really isn't. So that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Dream about me, and I will catch you on the flip side. Later.